Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Pakia Reviews. Now, as you might have already seen what the video is going to be about in the thumbnail, so let's put it a bit later. Now let me tell you first of all the things that you might be noticing right now. First of all, there is no green screen effect right now in this video. I'm facing certain hardware issues, so I'll be covering it. I try to use it in later in coming videos. Possibly there are certain hardware problems, not only with lighting but with many things, to be very honest. So now let's skip to the main topic, that is why Google Pixel 4 is not launching in India. And also, if you haven't checked really the previous videos, so check that out. The link would be right now in cards. And also check the rest of the channel. If you are a new person on the channel, make sure you hit a like, subscribe if you like the content, and also please comment what you want to see next so that I can be updated about what you want to see. So now, why is Google Pixel 4 not launching in India? Now, Google Pixel 4 for me was like something that I was waiting for from long time. I was waiting not only because of the camera results that last time with a single camera it totally destroyed iPhone's dual camera, but also now since iPhone 11 came with 3 cameras, so I wanted to know what Google can do with 3 cameras. So that was the main thing, and also the gesture control, and that is actually the main reason why Google Pixel 4 is not coming to India. Now there are certain technical terms, like there would be certain technical numbers that I'll be sharing, due to which I am taking a bit of help from my best friend, this laptop. So I will be sharing certain technical numbers from this thing. So let's start. Now, what is actually the gesture control? I'll try to put out pictures on this side. I'll shift a bit here, yeah, so that I can put out pictures that will help you to understand better. Now, why Google Pixel 4 is not launching in India is because of its gesture control system. Now let me tell you what gesture control system was doing. The gesture, that is like the motion detector, which Google calls it like a professional term for which it calls it Project Soli radar chip, was placed beside selfie camera that would catch gestures, so that you can control most of your phone just with gestures. The same thing is being used in BMW's 7 Series car. Infotainment system has got those features, but it isn't like as high-tech as Google has made it. It is a bit on the lower versions. You can control the infotainment system just with gestures, just for like for example, you can control it. If you make a circle movement with your finger, it would adjust the volume. Swiping would accept and reject calls. So now Google has made this Project Soli radar chip and claims that it is the fastest, most accurate radar chip for gesture control that has been made till now in the market. So Google claims it to be. Now we cannot say whether they are right or not, because I don't think so. Other than BMW, there is any product or any device that is using this kind of technology. So I think Google here actually has monopoly. Now that gesture control system, what it does is it uses 60 gigahertz of wave frequency. So it creates a bubble effect around the phone, continuously sending out waves that detect if there is any movement within that diameter from your side. So if let me tell you, like with an example, let me simplify it. That so what happens is, if you are trying to reach out for your phone to unlock it, so what will happen in any other phone case? What will happen? Either you have to take the phone, if it will unlock with the lock screen just, so you have to click on the power button and wake the screen up, or in iPhone case you have to swipe up, and that, like many other phone case, you need to swipe up on the lock screen to get your face recognized. But in here what happens is, as soon as you reach out for your phone, as soon as your phone gets within that diameter of wave frequencies, automatically the phone gets the signal of the movement and the screen wakes up and is already prepared for the face detection. So as soon as you reach out for your phone, automatically your phone screen will wake up, and you just have to do like this, and your face is detected and the phone is unlocked. So it is pretty fast, pretty easy. So because you don't have to do all those actions and everything, you just have to just pick the phone up and put it in front of your face, and bam, it's done. So this is not only the thing why that gesture control was used. Obviously, since it is gesture control and the aim is to make the phone available for use, most of its features could be used just with gestures. So you could not only accept, reject calls, change the music. These are the basic things that could be done on the Google Pixel 4 XL or 4. So the main thing that actually stops it from coming into India is the wave frequency that it uses, that is 60 gigahertz. So most of you might not know this, but all the techie fans might be already aware with this, that the 60 gigahertz frequency is not available for commercial use in India. The 3040 gigahertz wave frequency is available. You can use it in the lower devices that don't require much of that wave frequencies or signals, and the 90 requires a license, which is basically in which it would cover a huge area for signals that would be mostly military. So military has 90 hertz. The lower devices, very small devices, have 30 or 40 hertz. Now the 60 gigahertz isn't available for commercial purposes, but you can get it if you have proper reason to that, and you can get a license. Many of the telecom service providers have been currently raising this to the government to forcing them to make it available for commercial use, but there hasn't been any update till now, as I'm not able to see any news related to that. So due to that, Google Pixel 4 cannot be launched, and even if Google decides to throw out that chip thing and all gesture control and then bring it to India, that isn't actually worth it, because it was like one of the main highlights of Google Pixel 4. After removing that, it would be just updated Google Pixel with a new Google Pixel with Android 10, updated Google Assistant, and just 3 cameras. So that wasn't something on basis of which Google could charge a good amount of money, due to which Google thought, let's not make it available for India. Now there hasn't been any clear statement or answer to those people who might think to import it from US, like getting it from your relatives or friends. There hasn't been any answer whether if you get a phone from outside and make it available for your use. So there hasn't been an answer if the gesture control would work or not, but that's something that is, if I had phone, I would have covered it up, but I don't have it. So this was something that I wanted to cover. So this is why Google Pixel 4 is not being launched in India. If you are a new person and like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you are an existing user, still hit a thumbs up. And also make sure, if you haven't really checked out the other videos, if you're new, if you forgot to check them out, make sure you check it right now. It might be the playlist, and the other videos might be right now on the screen. And stay tuned, there are new videos. I'll try to get the green screen available from next videos. And also make sure you comment down what you want to see next, and especially that technical segment name. And also check out my channel's Instagram page as well, because I update everything before I update it on YouTube.